Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Well, the answer here is no. Unfortunately, Android users cannot have the FaceTime app for their devices as of yet. The reason behind this answer is that the FaceTime app is truly an Apple product. The app's configuration is set for the iOS devices only, and hence it is not able to be used for Android devices.
Take our lead.
FaceTime is not like a standard call, as you are not billing for the time that the call lasts. Instead, you are charged for the amount of data that you use during the call. FaceTime is free when using Wi-Fi, however will use your data allowance using a GPRS, Edge or 3G connection.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
You can't make FaceTime calls from Android, but there are several other ways to make video calls, even to iPhone and Mac users. No, there is no FaceTime on Android, and there's not likely to be anytime soon. FaceTime is a proprietary standard, and just isn't available outside the Apple ecosystem.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Don't worry, using FaceTime on iPads is as easy as a few taps. The FaceTime app should be preloaded on your iPad, but if you can't find it, just download FaceTime onto your iPad from the App Store. After that, it couldn't be much easier to use FaceTime on an iPad.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.